Let's draw a praying mantis. Start with the triangular head. Add 2 curved lines for the eyes. Now add the thorax. The thorax is the middle part of an insect's body. Draw a large wing. Draw the first section of a front leg. Draw the second section. Add the third section. Now draw the second front leg. This one is behind the first one. Add tiny spikes on the second section of each front leg. Draw the first section of a middle leg. Add the first section of a back leg. Finish the middle leg with 2 more sections and a foot. Finish the back leg the same way with 2 more sections and a foot. Draw another middle leg. You only see part of it because it is behind the wing. Draw the last leg. This one is also behind the wing. Add the antennae. Now let's add a background. Draw a branch. Add some leaves. Put clouds in the sky. This step-by-step drawing is from Favorite Animals Drawing Book and comes with starter drawings that make drawing super easy and fun. Subscribe to see more awesome drawings.